In this video, I'll show you how you can delete all the blank rows in Excel. So let's say you have this data sheet right here, and let's say you have a lot more than only this. Now you want to get rid of these, so all of these will be close to each other. What you can do is you can press F5 on your keyboard, then press on Special, and choose Blanks. Now what this will do is it will select all of the blank rows right here. Then what you can do is you can hold down the Control button, press minus on your keyboard, then choose Shift Cells Up. And what this will do is it will fill them up just like this. And as you can see, it has now been moved up and there will be no more blank spaces. So that's basically how you can do it in Excel, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.